Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Strawberry Cream Frappuccino blended beverage review here. And we got some extra strawberry puree, extra caramel drizzle, and added caramel crunch to this as well. This is a Valentine's Day looking drink, and it's full of calories. So I'm gonna go to the gym after this, but this looks really good and it smells so good too. I'm excited to get into this and see what it's all about, this Valentine's Day drink. So yeah, there's a strawberry puree in it. There's the strawberry frappuccino itself, looks kind of like a smoothie, but with none of the health benefits and extra calories. And caramel drizzle too, because you know, who doesn't love good caramel drizzle? I got this recommended to me, so I'm gonna try this out. And it has whipped cream, which is my favorite thing about Starbucks drinks. Oh wow, I taste the strawberry and everything in that. So it's also on the bottom. I was watching them make it. Caramel on the bottom, strawberry, all that jazz. So cool. I'm gonna get into this. This is like a 500 or 600 calorie drink. Regularly they say they only have 380, but this has extra stuff in it, so a few extra calories, but we don't mind that. Wow. That's like, it tastes like real strawberry, which is cool because usually strawberry flavored things have this fake strawberry flavor, but this tastes like real strawberries. It's got caramel and all that jazz too. It's slushy. This is how the frappuccinos are. But then it's like a really sweet strawberry taste too. Caramel just adds a nice little touch to it, but wow. That's really good. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake kind of, but more like actual strawberries, and again, less like the artificial strawberry flavor that you get in a lot of drinks. Starbucks and Frappuccinos, they're just a great combination. And their Frappuccinos are all very flavorful and sugarful, but they're good, and that's why you get them. So again, it's like a slushy, which I think is really cool. Very cold, and a Valentine's Day treat. Valentine's Day is next Monday, so it's coming up very quickly, and this is the Valentine's Day drink, I guess. Very good. Strawberry cream with the strawberry puree and caramel drizzle and caramel crunch. Really good. I don't even know what to say about this. It's so sweet, but in a good way. A strawberry, very strawberry-like. So yeah, I would give this, in terms of flavor, this is like an 8 out of 10. It's really good. Tastes like real strawberry and not fake artificial flavored strawberry, so that's very nice. And I got extra stuff in it, which is just bonus, but you don't really need to do it. The regular frappuccino will be good enough as is. It's very sweet and tastes like a real strawberry, so that's super cool. Yeah, go check it out. Strawberry Frappuccino from Starbucks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.